Welcome back to Squawk Box. Rick Santelli here live at CME HQ looking for latest data on weekly and initial jobless claims. 742,000 on initial claims. Of course, that breaks the streak. We had dropped 4 weeks in a row. Our last week at 709,000 may still get revised. And it's not a bad number, but it certainly isn't the number we were expecting. We're expecting to be closer to 700,000 or breach that level. On continuing claims, 6,372,000, and that indeed does continue the streak. That is the 8th weekly drop in continuing claims in a row. Last week, 6,786,000 still stands, although in the next few seconds, if there are revisions, but it actually was revised up a bit, so we still keep our record of 8 in a row. It's now 6,801,000 last week. Current week, 6,372,000. So not bad there. And with respect to how the markets have been behaving, of course, we know there's more hot spots, and how various parts of the country deal with it, of course, is going to affect the economy. It's going to affect travel, and it's going to affect these numbers ultimately. But there's not much business can do when government tells them that they have to deal with the conditions as they currently exist in a more safe fashion. Joe, back to you.
Yep. Thanks, Rick. And Steve Leesman joins us now. Steve, normally, you know, one thing the market used to have going for it when there was a disappointing number was that it might increase the odds for stimulus. I don't know if that works anymore, does it?
Well, you know, I used to be able to answer that question because it was a Fed question. Now it's a political question, so I'm going to ask you the same question, Joe.
No, I don't think it's looking real good.
You know, no, right? I don't think so. I don't think so either. But you know, I've said this all along, Joe, and maybe you think I'm too cynical about this, but I really think that we're at a place, and this goes back to my experience in 2008. Remember why they eventually passed TARP? There was like an 800-point decline in the Dow.
Yeah,
I really think, you know, that Congress, for so many reasons, and whether it's right or wrong, takes its cue from Wall Street as to what the outlook is for the economy. And without a big decline in the stock market, I don't think they feel the urgency.
They're lame duckers too,
even though there is an urgency.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.